Hello friends, my name is Vijay, and in previous video you have learned about the universal selector and attribute selector. So in this video we will learn about the child selector and descendant selector. So first we will see about the descendant selectors. What is descendant selector? Descendant selector matches all elements that are descendant of a specified element. So what is the meaning of this? Let's try to understand by an example. Here we have a simple example code. It's a div, and inside this div we have a paragraph element and some CSS properties. So the following example selects all paragraph elements that are children of a div element. Means this selector will select all paragraph elements inside this div element. So let's see in code. Here I am taking a div element, and inside this div element I am giving some paragraph elements. Like element 1, and just the copy paste here, and element 2 and element 3. Okay, let's write some CSS rule for this selector. First, selector parent element is div. Then here we have a div as a parent element and paragraph as a child elements. Then paragraph, then we write some CSS rule for this, like color, green, and font size. It's a 16 pixel, and some padding. It's 5 pixel from all the side. And let's see, here you can see our CSS has been applied on the all paragraph elements inside the div elements. So let's check in developer tool. Here you can select the paragraph element. All paragraph elements coming inside the div element, and on the right hand side we can see our CSS rules we have given for this selector. So friends, this selector selects all paragraph elements inside this div element. In descendant case, it doesn't matter the child element is a direct child or indirect child. CSS will be applied on all paragraph element inside the div element. So here I have taken some other paragraph elements inside the another div. So let's see. Here you can check the CSS also applied on the next element. It's element 4. This element is coming inside another div. So descendant selects all the children elements, either it's a direct child or indirect child. Same as if you want to apply the CSS only on these direct child, not on these indirect child. For that, the next selector comes in role. It's a child selector. With the help of child selector, we can apply the CSS only on direct child. So for the direct child, we take the right arrow between the parent and child selector. So by this, the all paragraph elements will be selected inside this div element, which are the direct children of this div element. So here you can see these two paragraphs are the direct child of this div element. Here the other paragraph also coming inside the div, so these will also get the CSS rules. So just change the selector here. Now we will see the difference. Here you can see the CSS has been applied only on direct child, which we have given insert div and the direct child paragraph, and the other paragraph also getting the CSS like green color because of this universal selector. So let's comment out this universal selector into the style. Here just comment out and let's see again. Now you can see the difference. The only direct child is containing the CSS rules. On the right hand side you can see, but indirectly child which are not getting this CSS. So this is the benefit of child selector, where you can select the direct child, not indirect child. So let's take some more paragraph elements. And just refresh the browser. Here you can see the element 5 and 6 also getting the CSS like element 1 and 2, but element 3 and 4 are not getting the CSS. So here this is the difference, only direct child containing the CSS. So friends, by the child selector you can also select the last children and first child and any number of child. You can select the directly, but for that you have to learn the pseudo classes first. So for the pseudo classes you will learn into the next video. So see you in next video.